Hello everyone, welcome back to Jhacors Vlogs. I know it's been a while since I last posted a video. So yeah, life has been so busy. Full-time job, full-time dad. Yeah, we have to keep the family happy. So in today's video I will be doing something special to the F150. And it's been my plan for a long time and it took me a while to do it. So I finally got time to finally do it. So let's get to it. So we got the truck halfway through the garage here, and the thing that we're doing is we'll be replacing this grill to the Raptor style grill. There you go. I've been trying to color match the truck all black. So what I did before is that I sprayed Plastidip, but it's starting to peel now. There and there. So first of all, we have to connect all the wires first to the lights here. These LED lights. So it came with the letters. This white lights. It's not sun. Yeah, it came with some screws. There it goes, and then we'll have to take this trim piece off and then basically remove all. Let's pop the hood first. Basically remove everything on top of this front grille here. And that is still here to pop the sticks off. And then we'll have to take this bolt off too. I believe it's 8mm. 8mm bolts. And then the next one I have to pop up this trim piece here, down here. This trim piece. This trim piece here. that taken off. Yeah, to take that bolt off and that bolt off, and this 4 of them here. So I got all the bolts off now. You have to disconnect the harness too. So let's pop the grill now. There you go. So what's the next thing to do now is to transfer everything from this grill to this grill. So there are some thing holding this from down here, and then screws here, screws there that we need to take care of. Okay, so I finally got that thing off. And basically we will have to reuse these things here and put it on the other one. These ones we won't be needing them because we have this to replace them. Okay, so I was able to transfer everything from that old grill to our new grill here, including the splash guard under it. So yeah, let's go pop it back on the truck. So we're basically putting everything back. Truck. That's just out. So there it is. I was able to put everything on. The next thing will be to connect this to our parking light. First, we have to take the airbox off. I've located the parking light here. We'll just have to splice and connect it, those LED lights, to this thing here. And so this is what I did. I connected the black to the black, and then this green will be with the red thing here. It has a red color there, so that's how I did. So let's find out if we did it right. So guys, I'm done installing the Raptor grill, and here is the outcome. Please, if you like the video, subscribe, share, and like. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye.